So you think AI is just that fancy chatbot that writes your kid's homework or generates weird pictures of cats in space? Cute, right? Well, buckle up, buttercups, because for a growing number of people, AI isn't just a novelty, it's the reason their out-of-office reply is now permanent. Yeah, you heard that right. We're not talking about some distant dystopian future. This is happening now. I stumbled upon this Reddit thread on artificial intelligence, and let me tell you, it's a sobering scroll. People are sharing their real-life stories of AI elbowing its way into their careers, and not in a helpful assistant kind of way. More like a here's your pink slip, enjoy your newfound free time kind of way. Let's kick off with our original poster, Chizomasitis. This individual ran a successful Spanish to English translation business. Sounds pretty solid, right? Well, enter AI and large language models. Now, almost no work left. And it's not just translators. Meet Pulp, a photographer. For the last 20-odd years, he says he's working on pivoting at the moment. Pivoting, the corporate world's favorite euphemism for, oh crap, what do I do now? Then there's prestigious Newt 110, an audio engineer with a 32-year career. 32 years. Clients started sending him references done by AI for mastering. And get this, it became increasingly difficult to match or beat the reference. Even the folks building the beast are getting nervous. Diamond Geezer, a software engineer working with AI full-time, flat out says, "It's clear that my clock is ticking too." Yikes! If the chefs are worried about being replaced by the microwave, what hope is there for the rest of us? The ultimate irony. Equal Association 818 says, "My company does AI and is shutting down because of better emerging AI models. I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh. That's terrible for them. But wow, talk about being hoisted by your own petabyte. An AI company out-AI'd by other AI. This isn't just AI taking human jobs, it's AI taking AI jobs. It's like a digital Ouroboros eating its own tail." And Control-Alt-Delve drops some serious truth bombs about the AI industry itself. They reckon the only safe place is being one of the big AI providers or hardware specialists. Everyone else building on top of these giants is at the mercy of their token costs or risks getting utterly destroyed when these giants release their own models. So, even if you're in AI, it's a brutal, cannibalistic landscape. The economics are wild. And just as you're trying to process all this, what pops up in the wild? Oh, just a casual ad. An AI-designed website for your business? Just roll with it. Thanks, Bluehost, for that perfectly timed, not at all terrifying reminder that AI is also coming for web design.